Now it's time for Hot for Your House, sponsored by John's Waterproofing.
All right, guys, today we're going to hook up this iFLO technology cleaner. Now, this is what's really cool. Our AC units have condensation that comes out, and it gets nasty dirty inside of here, and it gets plugged up, and then it shuts down your AC system. So today, we're going to install the iFLO that puts a cleaner through it, so you don't ever have to worry about that AC stopping. Let's get the box open. All right, we've got the automatic dispenser here, and of course we've got the detergent right here. We're going to be hooking these up into the system, but let me show you what we're going to be doing here. So we've got a couple options for installing this. There is a way that we can go into this drain right here to go in, but the problem is I don't have enough to hook this in here because there's this cool saddle piece, so we're going to go the other way. I'm going to go through this secondary drain right here, and we can put this cap right over the top. It'll put it right into here, and it'll go into the tray, which is where all the condensation stays, because the airflow goes through there. That's the place I really want to keep clean, and it'll keep the rest of this open all the way down. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this plug out of here with some pliers, and we'll get this thing opened up. It's a little bit tight in here, but that's how this is all going to fit together. So this cap is going to go right over the top of that so it can dispense that down. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the app because it walks us through the whole setup, and we need to make sure that we've got this set up correctly. So I've got the iFLO app right here. Let's get this thing opened up and working. All right, the first thing you want to do is take this card out, scan this right here, and that way you can put the right app on your phone depending on your phone system you're running. That'll give you the walkthrough and the setup because this is going to go through your Wi-Fi system in your house. So I'm going to hit start setup here. I've got the iFLO. We basically just have to set this up. Kind of boring, but we're going to set our location in here. That way it knows how big the system is, and that's kind of the key here because all these little things make a difference of how much detergent it's putting in there, and that'll help it be smart about your system. Now we're pairing the device, so this is one of those important things to make sure it's going through, and that way it can know what the date is, what the time is, and what your system is. And it'll also give you warnings in your phone. You need to order detergents and that kind of thing. So it's pretty smart how this goes. All right, guys, we've got that all set up on the phone. Next, we're going to hang the unit up on this. Now, here's the thing. I have to have about 12 to 18 inches of height. I don't really have a great spot down here to put it, so we're going to be mounting it up here. So right here, I've got an alcohol wipe. I'm just going to make sure we don't have any grease on this. What I like about this is we don't have to sit here and put any screws or anything into anything and do any damage. This is just a peel and stick 3M adhesive. All right, next thing I'm going to do is we're going to actually install this, which just slides right on top of that, and we're going to hook up this silicone hose right into here. Just like that. Now the secret is we don't want any loops or anything in here to actually get this stuff hung up in it. We just want a nice, clean, gravity-fed line right into the unit right here. All right, the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to take the cartridge and validate it. So we're going to actually scan this and make sure that we've got that so it knows what cartridge is going in it. They have different ones like a 3-month or a 6-month. All right, we can visibly verify that the detergent made it through and it's all cleaned up. So that's exactly how you install an iFLO Smart HVAC cleaning system.